We're going to Ikea today.
Oh my God, the thing. You're recording?
Yeah. Good ones.
That other thing. Look at that though. Look at what. Okay, I'm literally just moving it through my hand.
Okay, before any Ikea trip, you need to get the Swedish meatballs. And I got double mash because I don't like green beans or vegetables. Girl, you need to clean up after yourself and put your trays away here at Ikea. Okay, what do you think about your Swedish meatballs?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I don't think you can really tell from this lighting, but this is kind of like a green velvet bed. And I really love velvets. I have a lot of blue velvet in our home. But, gosh, being here, I kind of need this. I love the setup right here. And then the wallpaper.
I like the light.
But I like blue rugs.
Ooh, that is pretty and it's round.
Oh, I like the rug.
Oh, look, this is fabric.
This is one of those instances where we get inspiration from Ikea. Ooh, look at this light. Kind of like Target, I let Ikea tell me what I need for my house, what my next project is. I'm sure I'll find something. That's inappropriate. I want a cityscape little area. I feel like that'd be cute compared to my suburban home, my suburban lifestyle. Like, just imagine sitting out here. Just out here barbecuing, a little cocktail. It'd be really cozy. I really like this wallpaper. I kind of want to do wallpaper in the house. I don't want to pay somebody because I feel like I could do it myself, but at the same time, I wouldn't want it to come messed up. I love all the plants in here. That's kind of cool.
Huh?
Plug it in. There you go. I'll turn on the lights, that way they can make some sales. I'm not taking a picture, it's a video. I just wanted to... Since when did Ikea start selling Lego? Oh, okay. I kind of want one though. Okay, we made it through the first half of Ikea. Now we're headed into the basement part where you can find a lot of little knickknacks. This is usually where I do most of my shopping, is just picking up little pieces here and there. But we're gonna need a cart. These carts are kind of like go-karts because they fly all over the place. All right, we finally have got some stuff. We're gonna go with this bookcase for her classroom. And we got more plants.
Don't forget to mention I'm paying it out of pocket. Maybe someone will see.
Look how cute this plant is. This will look really cute on my work desk. We each got one with these little pots. Look where she's sitting. That's like her desk. Because I have this tabletop. The true work is finally starting. Now we gotta go put together the Ikea furniture, which is gonna take a moment, but we need a little bit of fuel. So we're headed to 0 degrees. I got I got ketchup if you want ketchup.
No, you're after the spicy sauce.
Oh well.
I don't think this is it.
That's gotta be it.
This
looks
doesn't
spicy.
smell spicy. It smells like teriyaki or something like that.
No, this is my favorite.
I got spicy.
Lemon
mayo.
hot Cheeto elote.
This is like soy sauce.
Let's see.
Did I ever show you how a mom painted this for me?
Oh, that is cute.
She had painted it for me when he was still alive. Cute.
Today has been such a long day, but you ever get something new and you absolutely have to do it right at this instant? Well, this is the desktop that I got. I got it on clearance for $28 and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna try switching this one out. I feel like this will really just add a little bit more dimension here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Got it all cleared off. Now, this one is a bit shorter, but it's also a bit wider, which I think will be really nice. That is pretty much it for this vlog. I'm still surprised that I found this desktop from Ikea for $28. It originally was on sale for $90. It said there was a scratch on top, but I have yet to find that. I think it looks a lot more clean and it adds a little bit more dimension to the space, where the other top that I had on here was much more black. So I am liking that. I just kind of need the rest of the room to start matching up because it's kind of getting a little mismatched. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And this is probably going to take a little while to edit. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.